Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to make this text 3D text. Okay, so let's just start this tutorial. uh, I will use some reference images. Reference images download link available in my description, then you can download it from. Okay, select cube and go on edit mode. Okay, now we are going to make it this cube in points, so we are going to go and mesh and merge it at the center. Also you can use a shortcut, a short key, like press M and apply at the center. Okay, okay, and grab this point at whatever. Okay, I grab it point at the G, and I'm going to extrude it. E to extrude. Okay, E to extrude, to extrude, to extrude. Yes, like that. Okay, E to extrude. Yes, yes, to extrude. Here we is here. Okay, curve is here, curvature available. That's why I'm going to give some more points, so we will get the accurate result. Here the state line, so I will be go directly state at the. Okay, like that. Don't want more points. Okay, okay. We are going to apply more point here. Yes, so we will get the accurate result like. Yes, E to extrude, to extrude, to extrude, to extrude. Press E and click and left click, so we will get the point wherever we want. So press E and left click, press E and left click. Okay, like this. Press E, left click, press E, left click. Yeah, press E, left click, press E, left click, press E, left click, press E, left click. Yes, now we are going for straight line. Yes, like that. Press E, left click, press E, left click. Yes, now we are going to merge this last point. Okay, to select these 2 points, go and mesh, merge at center. Yes, so this point are selected, merge, select this whole point and press F, so material will be filled. Yes, like that. Okay, so we are going to make it 3D, but before make it 3D we want more faces. If we have a more face, then we will get the what is called like that fully smooth. Yes, we will get accurate result if we have more faces. Yes, so make, so subdivide this one, subdivide, this line too, because we don't want the straight line like. Okay, let some. Okay, select these points and subdivide. Okay, now select this wool. We are going to insert face, so select the insert face tool. Okay, select, drag it. Okay, we want like that. Okay, 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 that's good. Now we are going to delete this face, so go on face mode. Yes, it's edge mode, it's face mode. Yes, select this face and press X and face. Yes, the face will be deleted. Okay, so now we are going to add more and more face. Okay, to select this edge, so go on your edge mode, select this edge, select this edge, and press F. Okay, select this edge, this. Oh, why it's not selected? Okay, select this. Oh, press shift O, so you will be get, you can select more more edge. Yes, press shift, hold shift, select this face, this edge, this, yes, this edge. Okay, and press F. Okay, to select more and more edge, you should have to hold shift and select appropriate whatever you want to select, the first edge like that, and press F. Yes, so select this here, hold shift, yes, hold shift on F. Yes, select this edge, yes, press F, press F. Yes, select this F. Also we are going to select hold shift, right click the one. Okay, select this edge, select this edge, or press F. Yes, press F. Also we are press F. Yes, press F. Okay, press F. Yes, okay, okay. Now here we are going to select the more edge. Just press shift, select edge. Okay, and press F. Yes. Why we are doing this? Because we want a smooth and accurate result. That's why I'm doing it. I will show you. You can also try without doing this, and you can see what is happened. But it's give good result. Select this whole face, go and modify, not constant. Oh, okay, not constant. Oh, go and modify and subdivide surface. Yes, okay. Here we want sharp edge, so we are going to add some face. Okay, trim it, trim out. Yes, use this tool, trim. Yes, I just call it trim, whatever, I don't know what you call, just trim. Yes, like that. Now also we want here edge. Yes, drag it. Okay, looks amazing. Yeah, now we are going to extrude it. To extrude it, we are going in the edit mode. Oh, not here, just go in edit mode. Yes. To go in edit mode, you should have to, you can also use tab. Now E plus X, so you can extrude in X direction. Okay, now we want smooth, right click and smooth surface. Yes, okay. Now we are going to apply some modifier to subdivide surface. Yes, yeah, that's good, amazing. Okay, now increase some view. Yes, so increase some view, 1 2 2 is okay. Yes, 2 is okay, I think. Yeah, now we are going to apply some shading to make it colorful. In shading I will be use some muscle texture and one it's an amazing tool. I will be show you. Also I have made tutorial on it, you can also check it out. The one tool, muscle tool, it's an amazing tool. Yes, yeah. Now use color M is always I will be use. Okay, color M. Now we are going to add textures, muscle and one Also I made the tutorial on this must give magic texture. Also I applied emission on this on the texture. You can see you can see this tutorial. Okay, I don't want this, so we are just reverse it. Okay, reverse this one. Yes, it like this. The texture tutorial link available on the description. Yes. Okay, that's good. Imagine. Select these points. Yes, and give some color. I will go for red. Red not good. Blue. Yes, blue it's good. Yes, select this point and drag it to get more result, more accurate. Go red here. Okay, I will be add 5, so it will be a light, it will be a bloom. Yes, 5, add 5 here. Okay, bloom. I think it not bloom. Go in the to bloom it. Go in this mode and bloom. That's okay. I have to enable it. Yes, drag this. I want to change this color. Maybe a green. Oh yes, green is good. Nice one. Wow, amazing. So next tutorial we made on Marvel Studio logo. In this tutorial we show everything, the animation and how to make this Marvel logo, whatever animation, everything I will be show. And this Marvel logo, yes, you can see. So for the tutorial, subscribe channel. So like, share and subscribe channel for more Blender tutorial. So every week I will be upload 2 tutorial. So make sure you have subscribe channel and like the video. See you next time.